Hey everyone! Do you feel like your hair is looking a little limp and lackluster lately? Are you noticing more scalp showing through, or thinning hair? Don't worry, you're not alone. Lots of us deal with thinning hair as we age. But before you resort to expensive salon treatments or products, try these 5 natural home remedies to get thicker, fuller hair. These inexpensive ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen can help stimulate hair growth and volume so you can have the luscious locks you've always wanted. Home Remedy 1, Aloe Vera Gel. Fresh aloe vera gel is packed with enzymes and polysaccharides that help strengthen and thicken hair. Apply pure aloe gel to your scalp and massage it in. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse. The nutrients will absorb into your scalp and stimulate follicles. Do this 3 times a week. Home Remedy 2, Olive Oil. Olive oil is full of hair-healthy vitamins and fatty acids. For an intensive treatment, warm up some olive oil and apply it to your scalp. Massage it in with your fingertips to boost circulation. Put your hair in a shower cap and leave the olive oil on overnight, then shampoo as normal in the morning. Home Remedy 3, Egg Yolk. Eggs are a great source of protein for your hair. Whisk an egg yolk together with some honey and massage this mixture into your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing out. The protein will strengthen and thicken hair, while the honey helps restore moisture. Home Remedy 4, Avocado. Mash up a ripe avocado and mix in some coconut oil. Apply this vitamin-rich mask to your hair, concentrating on the ends. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. The avocado oil will provide intense moisture to boost shine and thickness. Home Remedy 5, Onion Juice. Onions contain lots of sulfur and antioxidants which can stimulate hair growth. Grate up an onion, and extract the juice. Apply the onion juice to your scalp and hair, let it soak in for at least 15 minutes before rinsing off. Be consistent with this pungent remedy 2 to 3 times a week. So there you have it, 5 all-natural ways to get thicker, fuller hair right from your kitchen. These remedies harness the power of ingredients like aloe vera, olive oil, eggs, avocado and onion to stimulate hair growth while providing much-needed moisture and nutrients. Try incorporating a few of these options into your hair care routine for volume that will make your hair the envy of all your friends. Let me know in the comments if you try any of these homemade remedies and how well they work for you.